ladies, welcome back to my channel. This is my second unboxing video of WowAfrican wigs. My first video I made, I told you that I got 2 wigs from them, and that video was me showing you an unboxing of that wig, and I promised that I was going to do a second video of the second wig. So here we are. Without further ado, this is the wig. I've already taken it out of the box. It came in this pink satin bag I can reuse again to put my wig in and to store it. So this is the wig, and this one is the 360 lace wig. It is virgin Brazilian hair, and it's the wave texture. I ordered it in size, and the size of the cap, actually ordered it in length. Length is 12, and the size of the cap is 22 and a half. Okay, now I'm going to be talking or using some terms which is more geared to my newbies, ladies who are not used to wearing wig or don't wear a wig or like to know more about it and start wearing wigs. So if you are advanced in wearing wig, please forgive me. My video, this one, and a lot of my videos is going to be geared to newbies. Okay, so again, this is the length is 12, and the size of the wig cap is 22 and a half. If you have a small size like me, my size is 21, and this, for me, this is going to be big. Okay. So the wig came like this. This is the inside of the wig cap, and it comes with 3 combs right here, 1, 2, and 3. This is for the back, for the nape section. And the color of the lace is number 2, which is a medium brown. Wig, the cap is bleached 2-inch section right up here, and that is because they say the WowAfrican says they want to preserve the length of the lace, so they only bleach 2 inches of it. If more than that, if the whole thing is bleached, it weakens the hair and the hair sheds faster. So that is why they only bleach 2 inches of the lace. Okay, this is how the color is looking on my skin. So if you're dark skinned like me, this color will be too light. Medium color is too light, so you need to get a darker one, or you can just simply tint the lace or bleach the lace as well, okay, to make it a little darker to match your skin tone. Here is the hairline. This is the front here. It is plucked, pre-plucked. So a lot of it has been done for you. It's made for you to simply slay, you know, just put it on, cut the lace, style it, and you're good to go, okay? It's a complete wig. It's a complete wig. The density is 180. 180 means it is full hair, full and thick, okay? For those who like voluminous, full head of hair, this is what 180 will do for you, okay? Color, it is a natural brown color. When you order a wig and you don't specify a color, it will normally come natural brown color. And the wig specification will tell you if the hair can be bleached. So if it can be bleached, then you can change the natural brown color to whatever color you would like. Okay? And what else can I tell you about this wig? It does have a smell. It has the smell of new packaging, leather kind of smell to it, but that can easily be fixed once you wash and condition it back to, it'll give you a natural smell. This is how I got the hair. I haven't done anything to it besides taking it out of the box. So yeah, that's how the curl is looking right now. that's it for this video because I do not want it to be too long. Please go check out my last video. I will put it up above the video right now, and I would also have it in the description box below and tag it to the card at the end of this video. So thank you for watching this video, and thumbs up this video, share with your friends, and subscribe. See you next time.